Hey, Laffinator, what's your favorite song again?
I wanna fall from a ceiling fan! A ceiling fan!
What was that?
I wanna fall from a ceiling fan! A ceiling
Wait, supernatural. So, like, ghosts and stuff? How was that? Yeah, good?
Yeah, good.
So I just ruined the recording for nothing? Well, thanks. Wow. Thanks, Laffinator.
You're welcome!
Moral support, yeah.
Yeah! Laffinator gives moral support. Laffinator. Well, now you're fired.
Well, Jim, I'm giving you a promotion.
Laffinator.
Oh, now you're fired.
No, say Blissey, I'm giving you a promotion. Laffinator.
Well, Blissey, I'm giving you a promotion.
Laffinator.
Well, now you're fired. Okay. Rockin', rockin' and rollin'. What are you listening to? How is that going?
I don't know.
Rockin', rockin' and rollin'. Down through the beach I'm strolling. And then seagulls poking at my head. Not fun. Seagulls, stop it now.
I-I-E-E-E-O to the I-I-E-E-E-O.
E-O-O-O-O. Ah. I don't know how it goes.
E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
Blissey, I want a kitten cat.
Where did this come from?
I want a kitty cat.
I'm sitting here getting ready to record and you're like, I want a kitten.
Give me a kitten cat.
A kitten cat?
Yay.
What's the difference between a kitten and a kitten cat?
The kitten cat's cuter. I want a kitten cat.
How about a seagull?
No! No! I have single phobia!
And then seagulls poking at my head. Not fun.
I want a lynx.
I love how I start recording and you decide to turn your volume up.
Oh, it may kick me out.
Aw. Well, that's what you get for ruining a recording. Bro.
What's your show? Fine, be out down with like Goat Simulator without you.
I don't even have that game.
Fine. You'll be the putrid goat.
What? What?
The disgusting goat.
Oh no. Comedy gald.
It's gold!
I said gald.
You said gold! It's gold!
What's the difference?
There is a difference. You may not see it, but I do.
Oh, you're creepy. I imagine Rainbow Dash. That's comedy gald. Oh my gosh, imagine Pinky saying that though.
And if you need me, I'm gonna be looking for some sugar.
It goes quiet. Laughing at the seagull queen. It's funny how like little bloopers we're gonna have on the 20-sode thing because because we haven't recorded that much. That's kind of sad.
Yeah.
Well, we gotta be funny though because they expect that from us.
They expect it from me, not from you.
Excuse me? Sitting here watching the volume bar go up and down.